There's a big difference between giving a genuine compliment and flattery. If you are living in your mind and you are closed off, you are going to result to flattery. Flattery involves a lie to gain some sort of advantage. Flattery involves a lie to gain some sort of advantage. Giving a compliment to a woman, saying she has nice eyes because you think she's hot and you want to sleep with her, that's flattery. When I say, wow, you have the most beautiful eyes I've ever seen, I'm truly present in that moment, and I'm reassuring that woman that I'm genuine in the words that I'm speaking, that I'm seeing her as she is, as it is, as I am in this moment. Standing in front of the mirror saying I'm a sexy motherfucker is flattery.
Mm-hmm.
It's more of a lie in order to extract some sort of benefit. Standing in front of the mirror and reassuring yourself that it's okay to not be perfect. It's okay to feel pain. It's okay to feel joy. Reassuring yourself that it's okay to feel loved, to be loved. Do you see the big difference here? Every single person on this planet has flaws, insecurities, fears, doubts. Every single person on this planet has experienced the same types of insecurities that you've been telling yourself all this time that are the reason why you are not living the life that you really want to be living. Every single person. Which means that every single person on this planet, including yourself, needs the occasional reassurance that it's okay, that you're going to be okay, that you are worth something. Once upon a time, Marty did have dreams. But for one reason or other, circumstances, the experiences that occurred in his life, he was never really given that reassurance by anyone or himself that it was okay to pursue them. You see, everyone needs that reassurance that you can do it, bro. It doesn't matter how old you are. It doesn't matter how closed off you've become. You can still do it. You can still do anything you want. And I'm not just saying that as flattery. When I started working with you, I told you I believed in you. I'm telling you right now, I still believe in you. I know for a fact that you can be, do, and experience whatever the hell you want. But it's time that you start giving yourself some of that reassurance and start being kinder to yourself. It's time for you to start dreaming again. It's time for you to start feeling again. It's time for you to start living again.
Something I want to share is, just like you were telling him, that he needs to accept himself and give that reassurance and be vulnerable. That's the first thing that you told me to do when I came and worked with you for months. You just told me to be way more vulnerable because I was so closed off. And only affirmation I can say was really effective for that was "It's okay" one. It's okay. It's not your fault. It's okay is one of the most powerful affirmations I've ever used. But you gotta be very, very genuine with it. Like he was saying, not from your mind, from your heart.
Right. And
when you're in the mirror, you can say it's okay for 10 minutes and get the same effect that you can get with like 100 affirmations. If you just say that one thing, it's okay. Like you really connect with yourself. And you'll feel it. You'll feel it inside, and you'll feel like you're finally accepted by yourself. And you do that every day. It gives you such great relief.
And that's what I was talking about with the difference between reassuring and flattery. Reassuring yourself that it's okay. Reassuring yourself that it's okay to not be perfect. Reassuring that yourself that it's okay to feel. Reassuring yourself that it's okay to feel good, to feel bad. Reassuring yourself to be loved, to give love. Saying it's okay, that's really the core essence of it. That is a tool that you can use, and in the beginning it may seem a bit forced or inauthentic, fake, because you trained all your muscles in your mind to say that it's not okay. So after a while of doing it, it will start opening up and you'll start allowing yourself to feel it. Stand in front of the mirror. Tell yourself, to the part of you that allowed your mom to do all those rude, crude, evil things to you when you were a child, I'm sorry. I love you. Please forgive me. It's okay. To the part of you that has constantly always done the right thing and said the right thing and never hurt anyone, yet still is frustrated and pissed off that other people are living the life that I want to be living. And I can't I'm not there. I'm still not where I want to be. I'm sorry. I love you. Please forgive me. It's okay. I feel like this is a common thread among every single guy that I've worked with on some level. They've suppressed at some point and bottled up these emotions and these feelings, just sadness and loss. You lost a parent, you lost a friend, and that was a very traumatic experience when you were 8 years old. And when you were 8 years old, you said the pain was so excruciating. You said you never wanted to feel it again. So from that moment forward, you started suppressing any and all feelings associated with feeling sad or, feelings of loss. So then what happens after that is that gets extended out into suppressing feelings of happiness, feelings of joy, It's almost like because your mind twists it in a way where it's basically tells you that you don't deserve to feel happy for whatever reason. You don't deserve to be successful. You don't deserve to ask for what you really want. You don't deserve to receive what you truly want. You don't deserve to feel angry because it's not okay to be angry. You need to be a good little boy. You need to be kind to others. And eventually, we become numb. You never wanted to hurt anybody's feelings. You never wanted to offend anyone. So you suppressed voicing your honest opinion and truth or truth for a long time. Doing that one time is no big deal. Doing that hundreds and thousands of times over years and years, that's what we hold inside of us. That's that negative energy that we hold that weighs our physical bodies down. That's what makes us stiff. That's what creates pain and disease in our bodies. This whole thing about being politically correct and not hurting anyone's feelings, I mean, we're headed down a very dark, bad road in humanity where everyone is so worried about, hurting someone else's feelings, being honest, that everybody's really suppressing themselves. And you know what that's going to do? It's going to create a lot of disease. It's going to create a lot of pain and a lot of suffering. It's okay to be honest. It's okay to express how I feel. It's okay to put my foot down and not put up with stupid shit. It's okay to stand up for myself and do what is right and just in this moment. That's what being a man is. By not saying anything, who cares if it hurts or feelings or not? By not saying anything, by not standing up for yourself, by not letting your voice be heard, you are suppressing who you are.